Hey friends, let's do You Took the Words Right Out of My Mouth guitar lesson by Meatloaf. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts and we'll do the clean and the heavy and the solos, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along. So let me play that first part, then we'll break it down. So this is our intro, our clean guitar. So pretty easy, just our standard strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up. And we're just starting for the A, and that's one bar there. So down, down, up, down, up. Then jump to D and do 2 bars, same strumming pattern. Then jump to E for a bar. And we just repeat that 2 times. So A for a bar, D for 2 bars, and E for a bar. Then we have the heavy guitar as well. So our heavy guitar for the intro. So we're just playing an A power chord, playing once, and then 2 more times, and then the D power chord, D again, to our E power chord. Do that 2 times and then just finish on the A power chord there. And that's our heavy guitar, and then we have our solo as well. We play that for you. So we can have 3 guitar parts here. So guitar 1, E string, 9, 7, B, 10, 9, 7, and then 7, 5 to G string, 7, 7, 6, 4, and just do that 2 times. Do that 2 times. And then we have the octave. A lower octave as guitar 2, so let me play that for you. So this time G, 6, 4, D, 7, 6, 4, then 4 again, A, 7, 5, 5, 4, 2, and just do that 2 times there. Then we have the last guitar part, the high harmony. Let me play that for you. So this time E string, 21, 19, 17, B, 21, 19, starting the B, 19, 17, 15, 15, then come to G, 18, 16, and then just slide up to 14 on the G. And it just does that the second time through. And that's all the intro parts. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that helps the channel out. So let's get back into it. Then we have the clean guitar for our verse. Starting this A, and we're going to do it for a 3 count. Down, down, up, up, jump to E, down, up, and then to D for a bar. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And we just do that 3 times. So 3 times through, and then jump to a G for a bar. Go to a B minor, and we're just doing a 1 count, so a down, up, a B sus2, down, up, a D, down, up, an E, down, up, and then we're going to an A, and we're going to do a down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute. So 2 bars on the A. Then we go back to the A, E, D again, and we do another 3 times. 3 times again. G for a bar. Now this time we're going to do the B minor, B sus2, D and E. Do it through 3 times. So and again, and to the A, same as before. And that's our verse there. We have the heavy guitar for the verse. Let me play that for you. So, we're just coming in on our build up on the verse here from our B minor to our B sus2. We're just going to play a B power chord to a C sharp power chord to a D to an E power chord, then go back to A 2 more times and then 6 times. Then we just play A. We're going to do this E chord, so just 2nd fret D, 4 on the G, 5 on the B, and then to a D power chord, and do that 3 times. And just go to a G chord, hold for a bar, 2, 3, 4, and then we do our run up again. B, C sharp, D, E. This time we do the B 2 times, same again, 2 times, and then to our A again. And that's our heavy guitar there. Then we have our pre-chorus, our clean guitar. So we're just starting B minor half a bar, F sharp minor half a bar, G half a bar, A half a bar, to B minor for a bar, D half a bar, and to A for a bar. Repeat that again, B minor, F sharp minor, G to A. This time go to F sharp minor for a bar, and A for half a bar, and finish off the E and just hold that there. And we don't have any heavy guitar there. Then we have the chorus. Let me play that for you. So we just started with D for a bar, A for a bar, G for a bar, back to A for a bar, D for a bar, A for a bar. Then we're doing our run again, B minor, B sus2, D, E. Now this time go to F sharp minor, do a half a bar, down, down, up. A for 1 count, and then an A over C sharp. So we're just playing 4th fret on the A string, 2nd on the D, G and B there. And that's a 1 count, and then back to D for a bar, F sharp minor for half a bar, and E for half a bar. And just do that through 2 times for the chorus. Let's have a look at the heavy guitar. So we just started on the A string, like 2, 4, 5, 2nd fret on the D, jump to the E string, 2, 4, 5, 4 on the A. Just play a D power chord to an F sharp power chord to an E power chord 2 times. And just play the D power chord, so we're just playing the same as the chords. D to an A power chord to a G power chord, back to the A, to the D, to the A, and then finish the same. 2, 4, 5, 2, 2, 4, 5, 4, D, F sharp, E, E. And that's our heavy guitar for the chorus, see. From there we go back to the verse, but the first time through on the B minor, B sus 2, D and E. Play that 3 times, then the A for 2 bars there. And then the second time through, just do it once. So we're like switching it around from the first verse. And the heavy guitar just plays exactly the same, starts on that B minor. So the first time we'll do it through 3 times, then the second time we'll just do it through once. From there we go back to the chorus, and that's exactly the same. And then to finish off, we're just playing A to D. Bar each, A to D. Do that 4 times, and then just continue with the A to the D, but we're just strumming now. D. And another 4 times there, so another 8 bars. And the heavy guitar just plays the A and the D the last 2 times through there. And that's all the guitar parts. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. You took the words right out of my mouth. Guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.